Hey everyone, I'm back with another question based on current PMP exam pattern. So let's read the question. A project manager is overseeing a website development project. In an initial meeting with the customer, the manager focuses on identifying and documenting the features, functionalities, and appearance the customer wants in the final website. What is the project manager primarily working on? So the options are option A, defining the project scope, option B, defining the product scope, option C, creating the project schedule, option D, performing stakeholder analysis. Before we proceed and solve the question and see the options, let's understand what is product scope and project scope, because this concept will help us to solve the question. The product scope basically defines what the product will include and deliver. It basically deals with the features and functionalities of the product. So here on screen I have written the product scope for the website. For an example, see, the website will contain the home page with product categories, user registration and login system, shopping cart and checkout process, and payment gateway integration. So these are the functionalities which I am going to give in the website, or the features which I am going to give in the website. So this is the product scope for the website. So the project scope is the work and task needed to build the product with the given feature. So like we discussed, the product scope, that it has the features with which we want to build the website. So project scope is work which you need to do to complete those product scope. So here I have written the project scope for the given product scope of the website. So it would be gather requirements from the stakeholders. Second is design the website. You will develop the front end and back end system, and then test for bugs and usability. So these are the work which is required to fulfill the features with which we have to give the website. So these work or activities which you have to perform is known as project scope. Now that you know that product scope is all about features and functionalities, on the other hand, project scope is planning the tasks and activities in order to deliver those product scope. So here in this question, the project manager is overseeing the website development and is initially gathering requirements, features, functionalities, and working on the appearance of the website. So project manager is basically defining the product scope. So correct option is option B. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.